So this problem says the temperature below the Earth's surface, T, in degrees Celsius is given by the formula T is equal to 10D plus 20, where D is the depth in kilometers. The deepest hole in the Earth is a test drilling hole in Russia. At the bottom of the hole, the temperature is expected to reach 170 degrees Celsius. Estimate the depth of the drilling. So essentially in this problem, they're giving us the temperature in degrees Celsius. So the temperature in degrees Celsius is represented by a capital T in the formula. So if we write their formula down, that relates the temperature to the depth of drilling, or to the depth below Earth's surface, then this T is the temperature in degrees Celsius. So we'll plug this into the T in our equation. That gives us 170. And since we already know that T is going to be in degrees Celsius, we don't have to plug in that unit because that just makes the equation more complicated. So just make sure that your units are consistent and then we can plug it in without a unit. And that makes 170 is equal to 10D plus 20. So this D is going to be the depth in kilometers, which is what the question is asking for. It's asking for the depth of drilling. So we need to solve for this D. If we solve this, we need to first move any terms to the opposite side that don't have a D in them. So let's start that. Because this 20 is positive, we'll subtract 20 on both sides. 170 minus 20 is 150. So 150 is equal to, these two terms cancel out. So 150 is equal to 10D. From here, our D, we need to get it by itself. It's currently multiplied by 10. So let's divide by 10 on both sides to cancel out that coefficient. So we'll be left with just D by itself, or just 1D, you can think of it as. And then 150 divided by 10 is 15. So D is equal to 15. To make sure that you answer your problem with the proper unit, it tells us that D is the depth in kilometers. So that means that the answer to part A would be 15 kilometers, would be the approximate depth of that drilling. So this was part A. Part B is a similar idea. It says to estimate the depth of a mine in which the temperature is 420 degrees Celsius. So again, they gave us our temperature in degrees Celsius, so we can plug it in directly. Makes 420, bit of lag going on. 420 is equal to 10D plus 20. We can solve in a similar way by subtracting 20 on both sides. So 400 minus 420 is, 420 minus 20 is 400. That's equal to, these cancel out, so it's just 10D. And then divide both sides by 10 again to get the D by itself. So that makes D is equal to 400 divided by 10 is 40. And again, that unit, D is always in kilometers when you plug in T as degrees Celsius. So this would be 40 kilometers would be the depth of that mine. Okay, so I hope this homework help video was helpful for you. If it was, please leave me a like and also subscribe to my channel to see more homework help videos similar to this one. If you have any questions about this problem, feel free to leave those in the comments. Also, leave any other problems that you'd like to see a video similar to this of a step-by-step solution. Leave those in the comments, or if it's difficult to leave it in the comments or you don't want to do that, check down into the description and I have my email there that you can send me an email. Thanks for watching.